Good morning, students. Today's our topic is circle related terms. Already you have previous knowledge about circle, radius, diameter, chord, circumference, arc, major and minor segments, major and minor sectors. So, we will recapitulate these things in detailed manner. Okay, children, let us start our discussion on circle related terms. Here you observe three pictures on the screen. What is the common thing you observe here? Students, we come across many round shaped objects in our surroundings, such as coins, bangles, clocks, wheels, buttons, etc. All these are circular in shape. All the circular objects we have observed above have thickness and are three-dimensional objects, whereas a circle is a two-dimensional figure with no thickness. Students, on the screen you can observe the definition of a circle. We can say that circle is a collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point on the plane. Students, copy the definition. Students, let us focus on center and radius. On the screen, you can observe the fixed point O is called the center of the circle and the fixed distance OA is called the radius of the circle. Here O is the center and the distance between center and a point A on the circle is radius. Students, the next term is diameter. Here you can observe line segments which are passing through the center of the circle. AB, CD, XY line segments are passing through the center of the circle. So, AB, CD, XY are the diameter. So, a line segment which passes through the center of the circle is known as diameter. Definition of a diameter. A line segment which passes through the center of the circle is known as diameter. There are infinite diameters in a circle. The next term is chord. The definition of a chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. Here you can observe a circle. On this circle, A and B points are there. If we join these 2 points, AB is called as a chord. Students, the next term is circumference. The complete length of a circle is called circumference. In a circular park, a boy started walking from a point around the park and completed one round. Students, what do you call the distance covered by a boy? It is the total length of the boundary of the circular park and is called the circumference of the park. So, the complete length of a circle is called its circumference. Circumference is also called as perimeter of a circle. Children, the next term is arc. In this figure, 2 points A and B are on the circle and they are dividing the circumference of the circle into 2 parts. In the figure, AB is called an arc and it is denoted by arc AB. Students, what is arc? Here the definition. The part of the circle between any 2 points on it is known as arc. All of you copy this definition in your notebook. Students, the next term is semicircle. Here you observe the half of the circle with diameter AOB and a point C is on the circle. Here the semicircle is ACB. Students, here the definition of a semicircle is if the end points of an arc becomes the end points of a diameter, then such an arc is called a semicircle or semicircular arc. Here ACB is a semicircle. All of you copy this definition. Students, the next term is segment, that means major segment and minor segment. Here, major segment means the region between the chord and the major arc is called the major segment. Here you can observe major segment in the figure. Minor segment. In this figure you can observe minor segment. The region between the chord and the minor arc is called the minor segment. Students, the next term is sector. The region enclosed by an arc and the two radii joining the center to the end points of an arc is called a sector. In this figure, you can observe major sector. Here also you can observe a minor sector. Students, in this class we learnt about circle related terms like radius, diameter, chord, circumference, etc. So here is exercise problems are there. So you have to solve these problems in your mathematics notes.